All right, good evening, everybody. And once again, thank you for joining on the Sunday evening Miracle Meditation. Miracle Meditation is an initiative started by me because I wanted to do something for everyone in the pandemic, and that all of us are dealing with so much uncertainty. There is so much of tension all around. And I thought, let's start something that is free and connect to more people and bring in more hope and more peace and happiness to everyone. So once again, thank you for joining in for today's miracle meditation. And let's get started with today's session. And what we have today is we have gratitude as one of the topics for today. Very, very powerful. And as you can see, gratitude is a magnet to miracle. Okay. I want you to repeat this sentence. You can stay on mute, everybody, but I want you to say this out loud. Gratitude is a magnet to miracles. I want you to repeat this. Gratitude is a magnet to miracles. I want you to say this thrice. Come on. I want you to say this thrice because this is powerful. Say it thrice. If you have a pen and paper ready, please write this down. Gratitude is a magnet to miracles. You cannot attract anything good in your life if you are not grateful for what you already have. And no matter what tough time you're going through, no matter what is the worst that's happening in your life, there is always, always, always something to be grateful about. If I have to talk about gratitude, I can conduct one full day session. But what I want to focus on today mainly is doing something practically, doing something together. And hence, let's focus more on expressing gratitude and doing the gratitude techniques. There are a number of gratitude techniques. My book, 31 Days to the Best Version of You, is now the bestseller. And I have one full chapter dedicated on gratitude. That is how important gratitude is. And it's one of the very first chapters in the book because it is literally the foundation for manifesting anything amazing in your life. So if you want to achieve your goals, start from a space of gratitude. A space of complaint will generate more complaint. A space of doubt will generate more doubt. But when you come from a space of faith and gratitude, you will generate more of gratitude. So I'm Kalyani Kamble. I'm a visioneering coach and author of the book 31 Days to the Best Version of You. I help business owners set, track, and achieve goals with a proven visioneering system that puts success on autopilot. So here are powerful gratitude techniques. Let's get straight to work. And how does gratitude work? So gratitude is very, very powerful. The entire law of attraction is like attracts like. You attract who you are. You attract what you think. Each and every thought has a vibration. Okay. Just like if you want to listen to Radio Mirchi or Red FM, you will tune into that particular frequency, yes or no? Only then you will be able to hear the Radio Mirchi channel. On some other frequency, you will hear something else or you will hear some disturbance. Exactly that way, for what you want to attract in your life, abundance, achieving goals, money, you want to attract the right partner for yourself, you want to attract opportunities, business, even if you want to lose weight, you got to raise your vibration. And gratitude is that one emotion which vibrates high. It's one of the highest vibrating emotions. And that is why gratitude is considered to be extremely powerful if you want to attract the right things in your life and want to manifest your goals and your dreams. So that is how gratitude works. Now, this is a spiritual explanation of gratitude. There is also a lot of scientific evidence to gratitude, that how people or even patients, when they are suffering from fatal diseases, when they start expressing more of gratitude, how the state of well-being improves. And I think in the pandemic, this is something we must all pay attention to. This is a very beautiful quote. If the only prayer you can say, the only prayer you would like to say anytime is thank you. Okay, so even if you just say thank you, it is literally the shortest form of prayer you can ever say. The shortest form of prayer you can ever say is that of thank you. Okay, so for what you want in life, and what you want in life and what you want to get better, whether it's money, relationships, just be grateful. Now, opposite of grateful is being ungrateful, being complaining. And when you complain, you're focusing on the lack. I want you to pay a little bit of attention to yourself starting from today. How do you begin your day? What are the generally the words that you talk about? Okay. How do you respond to things around you? How do you respond when things don't go as per what you want? How do you respond to obstacles? Are you someone who's always complaining? Are you someone who is always focusing on what is missing? Then I must tell you that you must take charge of your life, get on a call with me and make sure that you develop the attitude for gratitude. Now, here's what I want you to do. Stay muted, but I want you to repeat that sentence. It is very powerful. Gratitude creates abundance and complaining creates poverty. I want you to say the sentence thrice and then I want you to write this once. Come on, do that. I want you to say that. Stay muted. I want you to say gratitude creates abundance and complaining creates poverty. I want you to say that 3 times. I want this to go deep into your subconscious mind. And now write this down. Write this down. Okay. This is the only thing you need to know. Forget about all the research. There's plenty of research. You know, there are people in universities who do PhD on the emotion of gratitude. It is such a powerful emotion. Simply studying gratitude and its effects on people, their well-being and their lives. It's immensely powerful. But I want you to say this. I want you to remember this. So let's begin with some very powerful techniques in gratitude. Simple ones, really simple ones. None of these techniques will take more than 5 to 10 minutes of your time. See that arrow upwards and that arrow below. What it basically means is what you are inside is what you will be outside. What you believe is exactly the way you will behave. What you believe is exactly the way you will behave. Okay? And that's what you will manifest in your life, because your actions, your behavior is what will get you the results. So let us develop the attitude for gratitude. So number one, very, very powerful, magical, and very, very simple technique is gratitude journaling. Gratitude journaling means maintaining a diary for expressing gratitude. That is gratitude journaling. Okay. Write down every day. Every day, write down 6 things you are grateful for. You can write in the morning, you can write in the evening, or you can write it both the times. I have developed a habit for myself that whenever I'm feeling upset, I take my diary, I take a nice sketch pen, colored pen, and I start writing down about what's good in that situation. What am I grateful for right now in this moment? Something worst has happened, but yet I like to look around for things, and I like to look around still. What is it that I can be grateful for? And I just write it down. Okay. So one of the ways to develop the attitude of gratitude is whenever you're feeling upset, just write down what you're grateful about and start with gratitude journaling. Now, my book, 31 Days to the Best Version of You, has a journaling prompt after every chapter. So it tells you what you can journal. Basically, journal is nothing but maintaining a diary. Okay, you can get creative with it. You can write with a simple pen also, but if you use some sketch pens, if you doodle a little bit, if you add some pictures, then it looks very attractive. And the subconscious mind loves colors. You know, it really loves colors. So I always encourage writing and journaling with sketch pens and pens. You know, actually, I really want to do a special session only on journaling and what are the beautiful things you can journal about. Okay. So you can write 6 things you are grateful for. You can write more if you wish, but 6 is also fine. And then write about things that you are grateful for in general, like, for example, our parents, our teachers, children, family members, friends, etc. But look deeper into that day. What are some of the little miracles that happen throughout the day? You know, sometimes it's my son really surprises me by making me a cup of coffee, and for me that's good like a miracle, because that's really sweet of him, something to do like that. And then, you know, I crave a tea and it's there in front of me. So, you know, if you actually look deeper into your day, you will notice that there are so many situations, little things that happen throughout the day you can be grateful about. Okay. So number one thing you can do is gratitude journaling. as one of the very powerful techniques for building in more gratitude. Okay, simply write down things that you're grateful for. Now, this is a very, very basic level of gratitude journaling you can do. There's a lot about gratitude that you can write. There is a lot about gratitude that you can, journal about, questions, deep questions, but maybe we'll do that someday. But just begin with this much, number one. Number two is thank for your failures. Yes, say thank you for your failures, for obstacles, for people who have cheated you, for people who have been disloyal to you. Say thank you for what's missing in your life. Say thank you for not going on right for your life. Currently, जो ठीक से नहीं काम कर रहा है, उसके लिए भी thank you बोलिए. And believe me, this is really powerful. Really powerful. This is magical. Okay. And it will be tough, but do that. Sometimes when I am annoyed with some of my friends or relatives, I just take a pen and paper and I write down thank you for them, and I write down how I want them to be. And I write down some of their good qualities. It's really very difficult, but I write down some of their good qualities, and magically I see people changing. This is very powerful, because understand that everything is happening for your highest good. If you go to my YouTube channel, there is an affirmation video, and throughout the video, there is only one affirmation repeating itself. Everything happens for my highest good. Everything happens for my highest good. So this is amazing. This is really amazing, because then that changes your attitude to look for what is good in your life and not look for what is lacking. And even if something is lacking, trust God's intelligence, trust the universal intelligence that everything is taking you towards your highest good. So this is really amazing. So as a homework, what I want you to do is, on a pen and paper, I literally want you to write down a thank you note for maybe someone who's been disloyal to you, someone whom you actually probably hate or don't like. Just write down a thank you to them. Could be your ex-boss, some ex-colleague, anyone. Just say thank you for that situation or to that particular person. It's amazing. Okay. The number three powerful gratitude technique is write as if already done. So whatever you want in your life, a new car, a new house, a partner, a soulmate, weight loss, some new opportunity. Like for me, I do a lot of corporate motivational sessions. So I always have a list of corporates, some desirable corporates I want to work with. Okay. So write down as if it's already done. Like I wanted my book to be a bestseller. I was continuously writing that my book is the bestseller. Okay, so write down as if already done. Did you all get this? Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. There is a video on my YouTube channel which says, talks about the magical goal writing technique. My book 31 Days to the Best Version of You has this as a chapter, the magical goal writing technique. And what's magical about this is you're thanking the universe, you're thanking God as if it is already done. Okay, so your wish is granted. Your dream has been fulfilled. It has come to reality. Just write it down like as if it is already done. I hope you all got this. I hope you've all got this, right? Okay. Any questions up till now? We can begin with a meditation. So we did 3 techniques: simple gratitude journaling, write down what you are grateful about. If you really love journaling, get in touch with me. I will tell you more about it. I'm actually planning a special session on journaling, how to write down, write in a diary and how to get more creative. Use sketch pens, use colors. Number 2 technique is thank for your failures. Thank for people who've been disloyal to you. Say thanks to people who have cheated you. Say thank you for what's not working in your life right now. Say thank you for what is missing in your life right now. And something amazing happens. Something amazing happens when you thank for everything typically people would complain for. Here you are going to thank for it. So you're literally converting your obstacles into stepping stones for success. Okay, and that's a wonderful way of developing the attitude for gratitude. The number 3 technique is write as if already done. So whatever goal you want to achieve, write it down every day. Trust me, doesn't take more than 5 minutes. Write down as if it's already done. Write down as if your wish is granted. Check out my video on YouTube. I've done a video on this, on the magical goal writing technique. So just begin by writing, hi, I am happy and grateful that I am XYZ kg right now. I'm happy and grateful that I'm working with this particular corporate right now. If you're looking for a dream job, write down, I'm happy and grateful. I have got a job in this particular company at this particular designation. Be as specific as possible. If it's some payment that you're waiting for, some payment that is stuck, then write down, I'm happy and grateful that my XYZ payment of XYZ amount that has been, I have already received it. It has come to me. Thank you so much. Okay, so write down as if already done. And then my favorite, gratitude meditation. So we will be doing gratitude meditation today. Simple. We begin with our favorite 6 breaths, deep inhales and longer exhales. We will take deep inhale and longer exhale 6 times. I will play some music and I will be reading out some powerful gratitude affirmations. And when I read out the affirmations, connect with each and every word. Like literally soak in each and every word. Continue taking deep breaths and soak in each and every word like it's your reality, like it's you. Okay. And we will do this for approximately 7 to 8 minutes. And after I finish reading the affirmations, simply turn your focus to your heart. Simply turn your focus to your heart and focus on what you are grateful for in your life, what you are grateful for in your life. Okay, so I will be guiding you to do that. Let's get started. May I request everyone to please be on mute? Kavita, can you just mute? Okay, everybody, sit straight, sit straight. Sit straight, everyone. For the next approximately 8 minutes, shift your attention to the present moment. This is very powerful. One of my favorite meditations to do is to focus on what I am grateful for. So let's begin. Let's take 6 deep breaths. 6 deep breaths. Breathe in. Deep inhale. Deep inhale. Fill your body up. Deep inhale from your abdomen. Deep inhale. And longer exhale. Longer exhale mean exhale को लंबा छोड़ना है, long रखना है. Exhale. Exhale from your nose. Exhale from your mouth. Let's take 6 deep breaths. Deep inhale. Long exhale. Long exhale. Deep inhale. Long exhale. Deep inhale. Long exhale. With every inhale, breathe in gratitude. Breathe in the attitude of gratitude. Breathe in abundance. That's right. And with every exhale, breathe out negativity. Breathe out the habit of complaining. Continue taking deep breaths. And now I will read out some affirmations. Connect with them, absorb them. Remember, gratitude brings joy, satisfaction, and peace into your life. It helps you achieve your goals, your dreams. Gratitude programs your subconscious mind. It's literally a superpower. Let's bring in the emotion of gratitude. I am thankful for my safe and secure home. I am thankful for my safe and secure home. I am grateful for my healthy body. I am grateful for my healthy body. I am grateful for my family and friends. I'm grateful that I have access to nourishing food, clean water. I am so thankful. Say thank you to food and water. I'm grateful for the constant flow of money through my life. I'm grateful for my supportive family and friends. I love and appreciate my beautiful family. I realize the gift of this precious human life. I'm thankful for my healthy body. I'm thankful for my amazing brain, which works like a supercomputer. I'm thank you for my intelligence. I'm thankful for my eyes. I'm thankful for my nose. I'm thankful for each and every breath. And I'm thankful for the gift of life. I'm thank you for my heart, lungs, my digestive system. A huge thank you, infinite gratitude to my body, all parts of my body, all organs, bones, the blood that flows. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm thankful for the nature I see around me. I revere nature in all her glory, and I love connecting with her every day. I'm thankful for all my mistakes because they have made me stronger. I'm thankful for each and every moment of my life. I look for joy in each and every moment of my life. I have the power to make my dreams come true. I'm grateful for all the love in my life. With a sense of gratitude, I see the world in a new light. Each day is an opportunity. Each day is a gift. I'm thankful to my parents. I'm thankful to my parents for loving me and teaching me. I know they did their best. I'm thankful to each and every teacher who has helped me and shaped me into the person I am today. I will be eternally grateful. Say thank you to all your teachers, trainers, coaches, and gurus. I'm thankful for my business. I'm thankful for my job. Thank you for my bosses, my colleagues. I love my work, and I'm very thankful for the business and the job that I am in. It's an opportunity for me to make a difference. I'm thankful for all my strengths. I appreciate all the good qualities I have. I'm thankful for my creativity. I'm thankful for my excellent communication skills. I am creative. I am confident. And I love and appreciate myself for all my strengths, talents, and good qualities. I'm also thankful for my weakness because these are areas of opportunity for me. These are areas of improvement for me. I'm thankful for all the obstacles, failures, and what is missing in my life right now. These are learning opportunities for me. And thank you, God. I trust in your intelligence. I trust in the universal intelligence. And I trust in divine timing. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I'm grateful for my sense of gratitude. I know it is the way to joy, peace, and the life of my dreams. For the next 3 minutes, I want you to shift your focus to your heart. You can put both your hands on the heart, just connect with your heart and multiply this sense of gratitude within you. Magnify this sense of gratitude within you and be thankful for all the people, things, situation in your life. Give your abundant, infinite gratitude for all the privileges that you have in your life today. You can slowly open your eyes. And I hope this gratitude meditation refreshed you. And I guarantee that today itself, you will see some miracles. And when you find them, please do not forget to message me and let me know of all the wonderful miracles in your life. So thank you once again for joining for the weekly miracle meditation. Ensure that you start doing the gratitude activities today itself. So tonight itself, before you go to sleep, please write down at least 6 things you are grateful for, right? And simple activities like journaling, thanking for things in advance, and also thanking for what not is working in your life. And then at least 5 minutes every day to just focus on your heart and be thankful for your own life, the fact that you're alive. Be thankful for your breath. Be thankful for your heartbeat. Because if you are alive, then only you can make a difference. You can do something, right? Okay? So be thankful for the gift of life. Thank you, everybody, for joining. And yes, I'll see you next time. If there's some topic you